Now, let's take a moment to explore how you can creatively craft engaging children's stories using AI in CapCut, as you can see here. First, what do we need to do? We should have someone create, let's say, a story outline or plan to guide us creatively. Now, we will head over to the ChatGPT or any other AI platform that you find, let's say, convenient for you to use in crafting your story. After that, you carefully type into ChatGPT, asking it to create a captivating story about your animated character or even a children's cartoon story. Make sure to specify the themes, characters, and scenes you envision. You write to it, create this and that. It should look like this. Or simply request, create a few scenes for me that include imaginative children's stories featuring fun characters and adventures. After that, he creates the story, and now it's your turn to carefully bring it to life by creating the illustrations that will accompany your content. What do we do next? Now, let's carefully open our CapCut app and explore the exciting features inside. In CapCut, you must have text labeled as image for your project. For example, if you have the text labeled as image, you simply click on it if available. If you don't have image text, as you can see here, simply go to AI Poster now. In AI Poster, as you can see here, you create the images you need for your project tailored to your vision. For example, if you're creating children's stories, you can simply design delightful images based on your vision. Now let's create the main characters and the moral of the story to make everything come together seamlessly, as you see. After this, once you've created all the images and outlined your exciting plan, you can proceed further. You simply enter this section and carefully add all the created content into CapCut, as you see here, to enhance your storytelling experience. You need to create this entire project using CapCut for the best results, as you see. Now, open your CapCut app, where you will begin the exciting process of creating the voiceover for your video, ensuring an engaging audio experience that complements your visuals. What are you doing? You start by selecting the text you want, and after that, you carefully add your chosen text to your project, enhancing your work. You can add text or auto subtitles, but you must include text for clarity. Next, you click on the audio text, and here you can thoughtfully insert your carefully chosen words for your project. That's it! You add your voiceover, and after that, you can carefully create a mini zoom effect on your pictures, enhancing the visual appeal of your project. For example, you click on the video content, then select the anime category, followed by animations, and here, as you can see, you simply apply a zoom effect. Or you can think of using carefully placed dots. For example, here is a point. Now zoom in and place it. Here comes a cool animation, just as you can see. You can use all of this. Thank you all for watching, wishing you luck and goodbye.